Even our ancestors knew that rainwater harvesting is beneficial. This is Agrasen ki Bauli, and this was built in 14th century, which collected and stored rainwater, which acted as a reservoir for Delhi. Then why can't we build these systems for our homes? Let's see how to set up this. Step 1. Catchment area. Your rooftop becomes the collection point. So, install gutters around roof edges. Step 2. Connect downpipes to collection point. Step 3. Add mesh filter for filtration of water. Step 4. For storage, add surface tank if your home is already constructed, or add underground sump if you are constructing your home, or add recharge pit for groundwater recharge. You'll be thinking about the investment you need for this. The basic setup requires 25 to 50,000. Ready to harvest rain? Save this reel and install before monsoon.